What is up, YouTube? Do you want an easier way to make videos for YouTube that you can actually make money off of? If so, stay with me. I've got something super important to tell you in my review of Commission Trooper. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat, and that's because I wear a fedora, well, pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things: to review software and info products to make money online niche, to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, seriously, give it a rest, okay? Everybody's stuck at home right now. Can't you give this a rest already? He's annoying. Ugh, so annoying, especially when people are stuck at home. Anyway, the way things work, if I like a product, give it a tip my hat to the product. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos healing, modeling, mindset, and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz. I love Liz. Since we've been stuck at home, I've been watching 30 Rock again. We're about halfway through, and I love Liz Lemon. She's a great person. Anyway, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. So thanks for subscribe. It doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Welcome. We are on the sales page for the Commission Trooper software and case study.
Trooper, are you all right? Trooper.
Not that kind of a trooper. Thank you. Anyway, but let's see what's here, what's right, what's not right, and all that kind of good stuff. So here, this is some screenshots from, let's see, this is from Ram Wabat for Warrior Plus. Now, I'm never a big fan of these kinds of screenshots because, like, this is Ram Wabat. Ram Wabat is a major marketer, okay? He's well known. He's been doing this for a while. And saying that you're going to be seeing this kind of money, probably not going to happen. Will you see results? Yes, I believe you will see results. But it's not going to be $7,439.07 over the last 30 days if you're brand new at this. It's just not going to happen because he's also got email list emails too. It's not just that he's putting stuff up on his YouTube channel and ranking and making and raking in all this money. That's so, you know, this is hyperbole, you know, and I've never been a big fan of these things when they put these things up. You know, I get it. People do this all the time. I'm not a big fan of that. That said, I do happen to like this software quite a little bit. I want to go through everything. I wanted to actually look this stuff over and see what the numbers are like. Okay. Now there's also here, this is about search rankings for these things. And, you know, I've seen some people saying that the search rankings aren't accurate or whatever. You know what? I don't believe, let me share some information because I happen to have a background in SEO, which stands for search engine optimization, which is what this is all about. Okay. You cannot do a Google search and say, "Oh, Google search. Okay, let me look for this particular keyword. Oh, okay, this keyword is ranked. This keyword is not ranking." That's not how this works. Okay, it doesn't work that way. You have to look at something called AdWords. The reason is that Google tailors every single search result to you. So if you're always searching for something and they see you clicking on a particular video all the time, they're going to show you that video all the time. Okay, so this I'm not even going to discuss right now. We're not going to discuss whether or not this particular thing works. What we are going to talk about is video creation, because that's really what I loved about this particular product. Okay, and I want to show you the members area right now so we can actually go over this and discuss what does work, what doesn't work. So let's take a look over here. So we're in the members area. All right, let's click got it over there. All right, and so basically the software does three different things. First of all, it'll let you search for various products. So for example, if you go here, you can search and ClickBank, say for weight loss, and click go. And it'll actually find you stuff that's good to sell as far as weight loss is concerned. Okay, you can do the same thing with JVZoo. You can do marketplace search. You can also see the top sellers on JVZoo. All right, you can do it with Warrior Plus. All right, so that's all very nice. I mean, you could do these things from the main menu of each of these websites, but it's nice to have them all in one spot. The thing that really I liked a lot was the create video option over here. Okay, this is what really makes it or breaks it for me, and this is why I like this software. Now, let me show you here. They have what's called YouTube Creative Commons Search. And I got somebody complaining to me about this before I made this video, which is one of the reasons I decided to actually make a video showing you this. Okay, somebody complained to me like, how could you use Creative Commons videos because the videos won't be specific enough? Let me tell you something. There are millions upon millions of Creative Commons videos. And yeah, if you just take any random video that you happen to find, then you might end up with videos that are simply not appropriate. Okay, but if you were to search for, let's say, weight loss. Okay, so let's do that search real quick. Now you're going to see some videos here that are not useful for creating your own videos. Okay, what you want are generic videos, generic content. Okay, so you're going to look for various things, like for example over here, this thing, top 5 weight loss myths. Okay, now why is that useful? All right, because this is generic. This is not something that talks about a specific product. And again, you want to take a look at these videos and see for yourself if they really are appropriate. You can also look for clip videos. So for example, if I want to do something about money, so I might do a clip video search for money falling. Whoops. Let's do search for money. Now, obviously, some of these videos, again, are not going to be appropriate for what we want, all right, because a lot of these are going to be specific stuff, okay? But let's say we do a search for money clip. Let's see if that comes up. I'm not sure. I haven't tested this yet, so forgive me if it doesn't come up. I don't really know if it's going to come up or not. But what we're looking for is clips, really. And that's really what you want to be using when you're using Commission Trooper in order to create these things. And you're going to have to do a little bit more work. It may not be 3 minutes. It may take you 10, 15 minutes to make a video. Okay, but the bottom line is you can actually do that, which is really, really important to actually search for specific keywords and to see what's there, use the content. It looks like this thing is taking a while, so I'm not going to keep you waiting, looking for it. But the bottom line is like this. When you're using this software, search for stuff and actually take a look at it. And you may have to play around with it a little bit. You may have to say, hey, you know what? This video is good. This video isn't good for my needs. You can't just take any random video, repurpose it, and say, okay, this is my video now. You are going to have to do a little bit of work. It's not going to be maybe 3 minutes. It may take you 10, 15 minutes of work, but it does cut down a lot on the amount of time that's going to take you to actually go ahead and create these videos. Now, you also have this thing, the image video creator. All right, so you can create a custom video using images. Now, one of the bonuses that I'm giving you, by the way, with this software is going to be really helpful to you. I'm giving you my Rolodex of about 30 different places you can get free music, free videos, free photos that you can go and pull into here and use them as part of creating a video here. Again, you're going to have to spend a little bit of time looking at the videos. You're not going to necessarily create these things instantly and say, okay, there you go. I've gone boop, 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 and it's done.
The hour sounds like a robot.
No, not like a robot. But anyway, no, but seriously, you're not going to do that, but you are going to be able to largely automate the process. And that's really what the software really shines on. Okay, and yes, it's going to help you do some video analysis to help you figure out which keywords are going to rank. And I've also included, as part of my bonus, I'm also going to give you a link to my own video on how to rank in YouTube. And you're going to see how to actually do this and how to really start learning about what it takes to rank in YouTube. I'm also going to show you another video, another Really, really helpful website, which is going to show you how to grab those small clips like you saw just now with me with the robot. Okay, I'm going to show you a place to get those clips and why it is perfectly legitimate to use them inside of these videos. Okay, so let's see if we're going to give a tip by Half the Product Creator or not. Giving a tip by Half the Product Creators? Yes, I am. Look, I'm not a big fan of using those screenshots that show massive amounts of money, okay, because that's not realistic for somebody who's new. It just isn't. But I do believe the software can be very, very helpful if used correctly. If used incorrectly, as with anything anywhere on the planet, if you use it incorrectly, it's going to bring in bad results. Bottom line, you're not going to get results. But if you use it correctly, if you take the time to learn it and to learn a little bit about how to rank videos on YouTube, this can be an incredibly powerful piece of software, which is really going to help you out a lot. And so, yes, it does get a tip of my hat. Don't use it responsibly, basically, is basically what I would say, and go forth and make some money.